Hi and welcome back to another reaction video. My name is NX and it's very a long time and I miss all of you and I miss also this special guy in my life. Kala mo kilala no? Are you feeling alone? How was your heart? How's my heart? Especially now that I'm alone. So in this content, we are going back to Dima Sinapati and the title of the song is Alone by Heart. Excited at timing talaga, no? I told you I got this special connection to my Indonesian singers. So without further ado, let's make a reaction now to Dimas Senapati featuring the song Alone by Heart.
I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, the room's pitch dark. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone. And the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end though. Alone. Till now, I always come by on my own. I never really get until I met you. And now it tilts me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? You don't know how long I have wanted to touch your lips and hold you tight. No, you don't know how long I have waited, and I was going to tell you tonight, yeah. But the secret still my own, and my love for you still unknown. Alone. Till now, I always come by on my own. I never really get until I met you. And now it tilts me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, the room's bedside.
Na-miss ko to, sobra. Making a reaction vlog, especially to Dimas Sinapati. And a while ago, while I'm checking his song cover, it has 11,000 views just 1 hour ago. But after few minutes, now it's going to be 13,000 views. So powerful, so talented. You are so good. You're so very, I'm very, ano mo yan? Okay. When I saw the content and the title, it says Dimas made a new content cover, Alone by Heart. For me, it's very Dimas. This is the kind of genre that he always um use or sing alternative rock and roll with a twist of romantic style. And grabe yung vocal range niya, no? It's very long, so long. And the way he sing it's very effortless. And you don't even know that he's singing already from the top of his lungs. So many air inside and parang hindi siya naubusan ng hangin. Ang galing. Because if it's me, I'm always catching my breath just to sing this kind of song. It's very hard. Of course, I'm not a singer, okay? I'm just telling what I'm gonna feel. When you sing a high note and you're just sitting down, it's really hard. Some singers or some people, they stand up just to have a right breathing. You can see he's just like relaxed, effortless. He's just sitting down like this, like, ah. Parang, wow, unbelievable. And I think the last time that I made a reaction to Dimas was long time ago, maybe last year. And he is so good up to now. He always surprised me in different way. And then that's why I really love this kind of job, making a reaction vlog to all the Indonesian artists. I really love music, especially that if you have a problem, you just listen to songs and it's magical. It can heal you already. That's what I'm feeling every time I listen to Dimas and the other Indonesian artists, and I'm enjoying every day. And he is much more handsome than ever. Kasi for me, it's like the first time again. It's like I'm starting all over again, making reaction or making content. That's why I'm still had a flu while I'm doing this reaction vlog. That's why I'm having a hard time talking and breathing at the same time. And the instrument, it's all awesome. Oh, grabe. I really like alternative rap rather than pop songs, R&B, especially every time I hear the electric guitar and the drums. It's so grabe. That's it for me because I'm having a hard time talking. I'm still sick up to now. And I hope that I will be back to the action vlog. I think I will be back. Yeah. Alone by heart. Oh my god. How was your heart? I'm okay. I'm alone, but I'm happy. I'm alone, but I'm peaceful. I'm alone with a clarity. I'm alone with a clear head and clear mind. I'm alone and I'm loving every each moment of my life. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching me and support me all the way. By the way, today is special because I told you it's like my first time again to the Masino party and I'm celebrating my first year anniversary to this second channel of mine. I missed the first one, but it's okay. Life goes on. And thank you for supporting me, guys. And I'm gonna try my best to go back to content, especially this reaction vlog. So if you want me to make a reaction to your favorite artist, please do comment down below. And we are going to make a reaction with that. Music are so powerful. It can heal your heart, your soul, and your mind. So there you have it. Thank you for watching me. And life is so beautiful. And there's so many beautiful things to be grateful about. Ano mali? That's it for me. My name is Enix. Truly yours. Much love from Philippines.
I hear the ticking of the clock. I'm lying here, the room's bedside.